Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound issue on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, open the control center on your device and try adjusting the sound volume here by moving this sound volume bar to the right. Also make sure that it's not grayed out. Now, if this doesn't help you, try disabling the Bluetooth temporarily. Maybe your sound gets rerouted to your Bluetooth device. If it's not the reason, then let's go to Devices Settings and let's open Device menu. Go to Audio. Now we're looking for Output. Make sure that your internal speaker is selected. Make sure that this icon is not muted as well. And check whether it's not low. And lastly, if you are watching some video on some page, make sure that the page that you are on doesn't have this icon next to it, which means muted. And if it does, then click right here next to the web address field and make sure to toggle the sound on. And this will enable the sound on your computer. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.